The building blocks of confidence are knowledge and learning, because the more you become an expert at something, the more confident you become. It's also about getting in touch with yourself and knowing what makes you tick and what makes you happy. Confidence is also about learning to appreciate others, because everybody brings something to the table. It's important that you learn to embrace others and show them love. When you do that, you'll gain confidence in yourself and you'll pass it on to others, because confidence is contagious. What have you done recently to pass confidence on to others? I'm looking forward to what you have to say.